This video will demonstrate the installation of Headlight Armor headlight protection film on a Volkswagen Tiguan using our Light Smoke headlight protection film.
Before you begin, you'll need your Headlight Armor lighting kit and squeegee, a spray bottle with straight water, a can-do attitude, your hair dryer, a microfiber towel, and a razor knife.
Once you have your headlight clean, mist down the surface of the lens with water. Remove the material from the backing paper, mist the adhesive side down, and align to the inner corner as shown. Once you're happy with the alignment, go ahead and squeegee down the first few inches of the inner corner of the headlight. Lift the remaining portion of the material, mist down the adhesive and the surface with water, and align to the back corner of the headlight. Once you're happy with the alignment, squeegee from the inner portion that you started to the back of the headlight, down the center of the headlight, and then from the center line go back and forth in small strokes until you get to the bottom of the headlight. Repeat going across the surface of the lens to the top of the headlight till you get to the transition, and then squeegee over the transition firmly and continue and set the back corner of the headlight. You can wrap your squeegee with a microfiber towel and firmly squeegee around the perimeter of the headlight, paying particular attention to the top edge that rolls over slightly. You can warm the material with the hair dryer as needed. Finish up by going over the edges with the microfiber towel and a hair dryer. If you have any edges hanging off, trim them flush with a razor knife, and you're done. We hope you found the video helpful. If you did, give it a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.
Visit headlightarmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.